In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform a plain project into something visually stunning by adding a beautiful gradient background in Adobe Express. This simple technique can completely change the mood of your designs and give them a professional, modern look in just a few seconds. To get started, you need to open your project and look at your canvas. The first step is to click directly on the empty background area. Once you do that, you will notice the Properties panel appears on the right side of your screen. Look for the small box labeled Page Color or Fill. This is the swatch box that controls your background appearance. Go ahead and click that box to open up the Color Picker menu. When the pop-up window appears, you will see two tabs at the very top. By default, it is usually set to solid, but you want to move your cursor over and click on the Gradient tab instead. As soon as you switch over, you will see a variety of gradient styles like linear and radial effects. You can now choose two or more colors to blend together seamlessly. You can move the stop points to adjust how the colors flow into one another, or even change the angle of the light for a more dynamic feel. It is a fantastic tool for creating depth without needing complex